Why is HTTP content negotiation an elegant method for API versioning? Imagine trying to keep your API simple and flexible at the same time. That's where HTTP content negotiation shines. It uses the existing HTTP protocol to manage different versions of your API without cluttering your URL or adding extra headers. Instead of embedding version numbers in the URL, like v1 resource or v2 resource, content negotiation relies on the accept header. This header lets clients specify the desired format or version through custom media types like application VND company, API v2 plus JSON. This approach aligns perfectly with REST principles because it keeps URL clean and meaningful. When you use the accept header, you're telling the server exactly what format or version you want, and the server responds accordingly. It's like having a conversation where both sides understand the rules without extra instructions. This makes your API easier to maintain and extend over time. One big advantage is that it keeps URL stable. When you change the version, you don't need to create new endpoints. Instead, you just change the media type in the header. This means your API endpoints stay the same, making your code cleaner and easier to understand. Plus, because the version is part of the media type, caching systems can differentiate responses based on the accept header. This improves performance because responses are stored and retrieved more efficiently. Another benefit is flexibility. Content negotiation allows you to support multiple versions at once. Clients can choose which version they want by setting the accept header, making it easier to introduce new features or fix bugs without breaking existing clients. It also helps with backward compatibility, as older clients can keep requesting older versions while newer clients get the latest. From a backend perspective, setting up content negotiation takes a bit more work. You need to handle parsing the accept header and returning the correct version. But this extra effort results in a more organized API that follows HTTP standards and RESTful design. It separates versioning from URL routing, which simplifies server code and makes your API more scalable. In the end, HTTP content negotiation is a smart way to handle API versioning because it keeps things simple, standards compliant, and adaptable. It allows your API to grow and evolve smoothly while maintaining clean URL and efficient caching. This makes it easier for developers to work with your API and for users to get the right data in the right format every time.